Alright guys, so I'm heading to the meet now, and I'll update you guys with whatever happens over there. I don't know. I'm basically also doing this just to test how the car runs. So I'll be checking all that out. RX-7s on RX-7s. Now this low-key is such a minty S4. I don't know if you guys can see, but like, I'm not gonna lie, this S4 is minty. Really clean example. And this is like the ideal starting spot if you ever want to build a RX-7. If you could ever get something this clean, it's gonna be so easy for you. LS400. This isn't the meat, but this is the squad that we're gonna roll out with. So once they're done welding Vic's S13 exhaust, we'll be out. Yo, what's up guys? So a couple things. Actually, no, a whole bunch of things. Okay, so one, I'm home from the meet and the camera basically died like not even halfway through the meet. So I didn't get that much footage, but it wasn't that crazy. Just me and some friends mobbing around. I have a separate video coming hopefully about actually just something cool in the works regarding me and the homies mobbing around with our cars. Secondly, we found out that I think my oil control rings on the FC are going out. So I think it's time to prepare for a rebuild. So I'm actually gonna have Michael come over right now. He's gonna see if the smoke that's coming out of my tailpipe is actually the sign of blown oil control rings. And if it is, we're gonna go ahead and plan when to pull this motor. And I guess this marks the beginning of my motor build. We're going for a street port, keeping NA, but I don't know. I don't really know how to fuel, but this is something I have to get done anyway. So I don't know. I'll update you guys. All right, guys. Michael has arrived. So. Car's on, and that's a lot of smoke.
You see the bluish tint. It doesn't smell sweet, so it's not coolant. Like just right when you see the exhaust leave the tip, you can see a slight movement there.
Well,
oil seal.
Yeah, guys, the oil seals are cooked on this thing. Sadly, so it's time for the next journey. And yeah.
move the OMP rod out of the way? Hook up. One.
Two.
So we disconnected already, right? Or are we still hanging on to it?
I think it's full outward.
Yeah, you know. Okay, so we're caught on the header transmission. So what I'll need you to do is I'll need you to hold up the transmission here.
Pull it up.
Yeah, hold it up.
Yep. Okay.
You're good?
Yeah, you're out of the transmission.
Okay, good. That's what we're looking for. Now you see how we kind of finesse that out? It's going to be the same or near double the force to push the engine and transmission together. That's where it's like you have to manage it for the engine. Yeah. Put your hand there and rotate the engine this way.
Okay. Oh, I see. And then you
Yeah.
lift up and then
Yeah, it'll clear. And that should bring us out. Ah, that's what's happening. Your passenger engine mount is dead. I can see it from here. Look.
Is there supposed to be something in there?
Yep.
Oh.
It's common. It happens. So you good?
Yeah. Yep, you good. You're almost clear.
You need to go up.
Yep. You're good. Yeah. Yeah, you're out of there. Yep, we're out. Yes, sir.
Almost there. We're just gonna let it come down gradually. So we.
Alright guys, so this is about like 2 days later, and a couple things. Right now the engine is just sitting in my garage. It's just laying on the floor. Two, we're waiting for the green light from both Michael and Jeff. Jeff is the guy who's gonna help me build my motor. I have big plans for it. So I guess you can say that this marks the beginning of my motor build, and I guess phase 2 of my FC. You can consider phase 1 being everything you've seen with the FC in the last, I don't know, 10 months. And I'm really happy, I'm really excited, and I'm really proud of everything that I've done with this car. Of course, thank you to everybody who's helped me, with this car in general. Michael, the biggest help, being like, he's had a hand on like almost everything I've done to this car. And without Michael being around, I probably couldn't do anything, or it would just be a lot harder. So I'm really looking forward to this build. I should have the car back by sometime in February. That's the goal. And more videos are gonna come. Speaking of videos, I have like 4 videos ready to drop. I'm editing right now, all at the same time. So you guys gotta be prepared for those videos, because I think those are gonna be some bangers. But as always, if you guys made it to the end of this video, thank you. I want to thank all the people who's been commenting and liking and just supporting the channel. We've seen very good growth lately, and that's all thanks to anyone who's watching. And we're just gonna make these videos because it's what we like to do. So again, if you made it to the end, appreciate it. Love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.